Abduction, under Section 362 of the Indian Penal Code, involves compelling or inducing someone to move from one place to another, either by force or deceit. It's not a standalone offense but becomes criminal when combined with an intent to commit other offenses like kidnapping or wrongful confinement. Key elements are the use of force or deceit, a change of location, and a criminal intent when combined with other offenses. Elements of abduction. 1. Force or deceit. The abduction must involve the use of physical force or be achieved through deceptive means. 2. Movement. There must be a change of location for the person being abducted. And 3. Intent, when combined with other offenses. While the act of abduction itself might not be an offense, it becomes one when coupled with the intent to commit an offense like wrongful confinement or kidnapping. Examples of abduction. Forceful abduction. If someone is physically dragged or carried away against their will, that is abduction using force. Deceitful abduction. If someone is tricked into going to a different location under false pretenses, that is abduction using deceitful means. Distinction from kidnapping. 1. Section 361 of IPC defines kidnapping. Legal articles highlight this difference. 2. Kidnapping involves taking a minor, under 16 for males, under 18 for females, or a person of unsound mind out of the keeping of their lawful guardian. 3. Abduction can involve adults as well as minors. And 4. Abduction is often a part of kidnapping charges, but not always. Landmark cases, often involving kidnapping, which is related to abduction. State of Maharashtra vs. Ramesh Shankar Bhavane, 2000. Legal sources detail this case. This case emphasized that the victim must be taken or enticed, not merely that they left on their own. Prince vs. State of Bombay, 1955. Legal articles discuss this case. This case involved a mistake about a minor's age, highlighting the importance of intent in kidnapping cases. Punishment. Abduction, when combined with specific intents like wrongful confinement or murder, can lead to imprisonment for varying terms, potentially up to life imprisonment, depending on the severity and nature of the associated offense. Important note. While abduction itself is defined in Section 362, it is often a part of other offenses like kidnapping, which has its own set of rules and penalties. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.